Are you ready to try a different approach to social interactions? Well, there is an alternative, the social alternative. The social alternative was created with one sole purpose in mind: to educate, empower, and equip individuals with the necessary skills to embark upon healthy relationships. With that purpose serving as paramount, the social alternative seeks to offer gender-balanced events where males and females can participate in a variety of fun experiences that help to foster open dialogue as well as networking. Another goal of the social alternative is to help educate all participants on the topic of building holistic relationships, be it professional, spiritual, or personal, and the importance of those relationships in day-to-day interactions. We are proud to have the opportunity for spiritual insight and counsel by way of Dr. Dolphy Cross, Family Life Ministries Director for the Southeastern Conference of Seventh-day Adventists. So if you're ready for something new, fresh, and innovative, and if you're willing to be open to trying a different approach in the fostering of healthy interactions and relationships, then perhaps it's time to try an alternative. For more information and how to join, please visit socialalternative.org.